Hey, today we are going to install those exhaust tailpipes from Skoda to Golf MK7. This is how it looks. This is original Volkswagen, Audi, Seat and Skoda part. It's designed to be installed in Skoda Yeti 1.4 TSI, but if the exhaust pipe diameter is the same, then you can install it on many different cars, and most of the Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, Skoda cars use the same diameter, so you can just buy the Skoda part since it's the cheapest and install it on Volkswagen, Audi or Seat. And the installation is pretty easy. All you need is a piece of wood and a hammer. There are some installation clips over here, and it should just slide on the existing pipe like that. Okay, so let's go to the car and let's try to install it. Okay, and the job is done. This is how it looks. Much better than the stock ones. And one thing that I just need to say, to make this 100% complete, you should, before putting those tips, you should cut the original pipe flat, because it's cut originally by a slightly different angle than the new part. It's more aggressive angle, and there's a little gap over here. If you cut the original pipe just straight on, then this gap will disappear. It will appear up here, but you cannot see it, and over here everything will fit nicely. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and see you soon.